Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. Another cooking episode, and today I'm going to cook two mushroom recipes. The first one is the sauteed mushroom. The second one is the creamy mushroom soup. I bought the mushrooms from the street market, which opens every Friday here in Bridgewater. They have fresh produce and as well as meat and cheese, lots of cheese. So the first thing is to clean the mushroom. It's up to you how you clean it. You can wash it and dry it, or you can just wipe it with a clean paper towel. So all I'm going to do is to slice it thinly like this. I'm preparing the other ingredients like this garlic. I'm just going to crush it and peel it. And minced. I'm using a whole onion. Then cut your onions. It's time to cook. Heat the pan and add your oil. Then saute the garlic. Wait for it to turn golden brown. Time to add the onions. Then add the mushrooms. And then the butter. Stir occasionally and add the liquid seasoning. Top it with onions, fried onions, and this is our finished product. We have here sauteed mushroom. So we're going to cook the creamy mushroom soup. First is to melt the butter. Cut your mushrooms into tiny bits and big slices. Then saute it in butter. Add fried onions and fried garlic. Also season it with magic syrup. This is just optional. Then add water. Let it boil. Season it with salt and pepper. Add milk. Actually, you can also add cream if you want it to be creamy. I added some more milk. Once the liquid has reduced to half, add your herbs. I've added parsley and celery leaves. It really smells so good. Here is our finished product, the creamy mushroom soup. Thanks for watching.